Hi guys, welcome back to Mel's Kitchen. In today's video I am going to show you guys how to make fry ripe plantain. And I realize that so many people don't really know how to fry ripe plantains, and you guys been talking about it, so I'm going to go ahead and show you. So if you guys don't know, this is the ripe plantain and this is the green plantain. That's the difference between the two. Most of the time I like to buy my plantain green and then make them ripe, because sometimes when I buy the ripe plantain, the stores don't make them ripe naturally and it's not as yummy. So it was this and now it became this, and what I did is I went ahead and make it to this. So what I did, I just simply go ahead and use the knife, cut this side off, cut this side off, and then I peel it like I'm peeling a banana really. So I'm going to go ahead now and show you guys how I fry the ripe plantain. So in this pot that's already preheated, I'm going to go ahead and slice this plantain. And if you realize how I slice the plantain, if my son is calling, I slice the plantain slant ways. So that's the aim of how to cut your ripe plantain when you're frying it. So when you cut it slant ways like this, it makes the plantain have this shape, and I think it's a really fun way of frying your ripe plantain. And you just make these fry on each side, make them golden brown. You can actually see in the pot when the plantain is becoming brown on each side. So as you can see in this pot, this one is already becoming brown, so I just turn it. You see that color is the exact color that you're looking for right here. So I'm going to actually turn this one back over soon, but I like to make them fry on each side enough, so I don't make one side fully brown before I turn it. I like to turn them like 2-3 times before I take them out of the oil. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give them their second toast. That color right there is their second turn. This color right here is perfect. Perfect color for your ripe plantains. When you see that color, I won't put them back on this side, because this side is exactly how I want them to be. There we go. That's beautiful, isn't it? Very, very beautiful. Alright, and now we're gonna go ahead and start transferring these from the oil. And there you have it guys, a quick and easy way of how to fry ripe plantains. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video.